Hey everyone, Windsor, Ontario is a fantastic mid-sized city in Canada located directly across the river from the U.S. city of Detroit, Michigan. For a mid-sized city, Windsor has a lot of awesome things to do for anyone at any budget, whether it is outdoors or inside. I'm Dino Kasparis, real estate agent with eXp here in Windsor, Ontario. Today's video, I'll be bringing you a list of things to do in our great city. Just to let you know, I put together a list of activities at various price points, and many of them are free of charge. It is presented to you in no particular order. If you are thinking of relocating or even just visiting Windsor, please also check out my walking tours and local restaurant videos for both Windsor and Detroit on my YouTube channel. If you find this video valuable, please consider liking and subscribing below. Now let's get after it. If you find this video and other content on my channel helpful, and you have questions about Windsor real estate, I would like to hear from you. My phone number is on the screen, or you can scan the QR code. Please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. See you on the next video.